Hi, my name's John. Welcome to a video that isn't another Sunday night nightcap. In tonight's video we're going to find out who's won the prize of the Artec MiG 180 welding kit. Well, just before Christmas I did a short video showing all the kit that Rob from Artec Welding had sent up to be given away, and I asked you to post a comment, and the comment had to say Artec MiG 180. Well, there's over 1,000 comments come in, and we're going to go now onto the computer and I'm going to use the computer magic, I suppose it is, to draw a winning name. Congratulations, Steve, and thanks very much for the kind comment. All you need to do is send me an email. I'll get in touch with Artec and they'll get the welder shipped off to you. The welder will naturally come with a full Artec 3-year guarantee. I've really enjoyed doing this little competition. There's a lot of comments come in. I've gained a lot more subscribers from it. Some of the comments have been really moving, to tell you the truth. If you're one of the 1,000 people that hasn't won this and you still want to buy an Artec MiG 180 or any Artec product, just get in touch with Artec, mention my name. It certainly can't do any harm. Anyway, thanks for watching, and once again, congratulations, Steve, and I hope you get on nice with your little MiG 180 welder.